What if I'm unaware of an illness when buying a health insurance plan or a term insurance plan? What happens when there is a claim? Will my claim get rejected? Should I, when buying a plan, insist on a medical test? Does a medical test guarantee that your insurance claim will be paid? All these questions I'll be answering in today's video. So, first, let's understand the role of an insurer when they're giving you insurance. The role of an insurer is to evaluate your profile, your background, your history, your medical background, medical profile, your family's medical profile, and then ascertain the risk and then give you a policy. The entire onus of basically deciding what kind of evaluation has to be done is completely based on the insurance company. It's not something that you are supposed to be worried about. Your worry should be that you ensure that you give clear answers and very detailed answers to every question that comes your way. It could be either in the form, it could be on a call with the insurer, it could be face to face with an insurer or the insurer's agency or a medical lab, anywhere, right? Ensure that you're giving very detailed answers and not leaving anything for guesses, right? Give your clear answers and you are rest assured that you don't have to worry about any kind of such situation where you have not informed the insurer and the insurer can reject your claim. Now, there is one question that comes up very regularly, is that should I just get a medical test done, a full body medical checkup, so that to rule out all kinds of possibilities, and so that the insurer at the time of claim cannot say that I'm not informed the insurer about any disease. There are two aspects to this. My first answer to this would be that if you're having any kind of suspicion or you're in doubt that there could be some disease based on some symptom or a sign, then always get a medical test done. Also, if there is no medical test done for someone who is above 50 and probably it's been a while, like about a year or so, that medical tests have not been done, then in such kind of scenarios, it is good to get a medical test done anyways for a 50-year-old. So from that perspective, go ahead and get a medical test done and submit that report to the insurer. Now, on the other side of the story is that remember that no full body checkup is ever going to cover you all the diseases that could be there in your body head to toe. Never, right? Full body checkup also has limitations. So, what finally an insurer is going to depend upon beyond the medical test is your declarations, all the information that you give to the insurer when you are buying the policy. So you should be clear about your role and give information as much as you can. If there is no space left in your proposal form, or you could send a separate mail with the details that you have, but ensure you just give all your information. Once you've done diligently given information to the insurer, you should not worry about anything else. Now, one more angle that I wanted to talk about before I end the video is about senior citizens, right? When buying policies for parents and senior citizens, the thing can be very tricky because there are so many senior citizens who I know from my own experience, my parents are senior citizens, is that they live in denial and they don't want to talk about diseases. So when you speak to them over a phone call and ask them about the diseases, they're going to say, no, I don't have any diseases. But if you ask them about medicines, they may say that, yes, I'm taking a sugar medicine, right? And I know so many such people. So it's very important that when you're buying a policy for someone who's old and senior, then you should not go by what they say, but basically based on some more homework, right? What you should do is that you should look at their medicine box, you should look at their medical file, you should probably talk to their regular family doctor, and you should then, based on this, make a decision of what all should be declared. This will ensure that you've been diligent enough for someone who's probably not living with you, or someone who may have a disease, may not mention it to you, and hence the information that you provide is complete to the extent possible. That's it. Hope this video was useful and helpful in helping you understand that how much is your liability when it comes to declaring a disease at the time of buying the policy. And very clearly, I can assure you that any disease that you are not aware of, you are not supposed to be informing the insurer, because anyways you cannot, right? Hope you liked the video. If you liked it, do like and forward this video, share this video with others. And if you have any questions, obviously you can comment under this video and ask us questions, and we'll be more than happy to answer them. Thank you.